Hi, it's Mary Jane here from Home for the Harvest, and today I'm talking about 8 of my favorite easy perennial flowers to grow. The first is peonies. These are so beautiful and fortunately very easy. Once they're established, there's not a lot you really need to do to keep them healthy. So these are a really wonderful flower to grow in your garden if you're looking for something easy but that's still pretty. The foliage is also really nice too, so they look good even when they're not blooming. Number 2, hybrid lilies. Hybrid lilies are beautiful, exotic looking flowers. They come back every year really reliably. You can get them in oranges, pinks, yellows. They're gorgeous, and they flower for a long time, so that's really nice as well. Number 3, bee balm. Bee balm is available mostly in pinks, but you can get it in reds too. Again, very easy. As long as it's got enough moisture, it's gonna have beautiful, beautiful pink flowers that are gonna attract butterflies and bees and maybe even hummingbirds. So definitely one for the list. A fourth great option for a perennial flower is iris. These are easy to find, easy to grow, and they don't require much care at all. They're super low maintenance. You can get them in yellow, you can get them in purple, you can get them in blue, you can get tall ones, you can get short ones. Definitely include some of these in your garden. Hellebores. Hellebores are actually quite an easy perennial flower if they're happy in their spot in the garden. So I planted mine in a partial shade location under this deciduous tree, and they are really happy here. I love having the flowers first thing in the springtime. They're just beautiful to look at out here. And yeah, very low maintenance once established. I think they can seem tricky because the plants are expensive and they're maybe less common than some other perennials, but trust me, they're easy and I love them. Hydrangeas can be another really nice option for an easy care perennial. They are easiest if you choose one that blooms on new wood. These are incredible. You can get Invincible, Annabelle, I think some of the Endless Summer ones, I think they also bloom too on new wood, but they are very reliable and easy to grow. Astilbe are a really nice perennial flower for the shade garden. Mine aren't quite blooming yet, it's beginning of June, but they really add this kind of ethereal, almost lacy look to the shade garden, and the foliage is pretty too. So they are a lovely addition for something that flowers and does give a bit of color in a shadier spot. I could not talk about easy perennial flowers without talking about daylilies. These ones are going to bloom yellow in a couple weeks here, but I have some pink ones. You can get red ones. They come in all sorts of heights as well as colors, and they're just very low maintenance, reliable perennial flowers for the garden.